Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to quickly and easily log in to your Draft2Digital account, so you can get your publishing journey started without a hitch. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to quickly and easily log in to your Draft2Digital account, so you can get your publishing journey started without a hitch. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Draft2Digital website. Once there, look for the login button typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it to be directed to the login page. Here you will find fields to enter your email address and password. Make sure the email you enter is the one you used when signing up for Draft2Digital. After typing your email, carefully enter your password. If you don't remember your password or want to reset it, there is a convenient forgot password link just below the login fields. Click on that link and follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. Next is to double-check your login details before hitting the login button. Ensure there are no typos or unwanted spaces. This can save you time and frustration if you've entered everything correctly. Click on the login button. Now you should be logged in and landed on your Draft2Digital dashboard, where you can manage your books and publishing settings. If you encounter any issues with logging, and verify that your internet connection is stable, and try refreshing the page. Sometimes clearing your browser cache or trying a different browser can help too. Remember, Draft2Digital is designed to be user-friendly, so the entire login process is straightforward and quick. To sum up, open the Draft2Digital website, click the login button, enter your email and password, reset your password. If needed, double-check your information, and enjoy access to your publishing tools. It's that simple and effective. Don't forget to keep your login information secure and update your password periodically to protect your account.